Today's question is: what are the different tools and equipment found in the kitchen? Any cook should be knowledgeable about the proper tools, gadgets, and appliances in the kitchen. While making a purchase, it's crucial to take several factors into account in addition to price. So here are the different kitchen tools and equipment every cook must have. First, the knife set. Every cook chops, peels, and slices ingredients. Therefore, you need a set of knives that can help you do this properly. Examples: chef's knife. It is an all-purpose knife used for chopping, slicing, and mincing. Paring knife. It is used for peeling and paring fruits and vegetables. Boning knife. It is used to separate meat from bone. It is also used to fillet fish. Meat slicer. It is used to slice roasted meat, ham, and thick solid cuts of meat. Bread knife. It is used to slice or divide bread and pastries. Number 2. Measuring tools. There are many kinds of measuring tools for cooking or baking that you need to create any recipe that you may encounter. Examples: mass scale. It is used to measure the mass of an ingredient. It can be operated manually or digitally. Instant read thermometer. It is used to measure the temperature of food to know if it has been cooked properly or being stored at the right temperature. Measuring cups. They are used to measure wet and dry ingredients. And measuring spoons. They are used to hold specific amounts of dry and wet ingredients, varying in sizes from a dash to 1 tablespoon or 15 ml. Number 3. Strainers. They are used to separate liquid from solid ingredients, sift fine grains, remove lumps, and rinse food. Examples: Colander, a bowl-shaped strainer with holes. It is used to drain food such as pasta. Cheesecloth. It is a loosely woven gauze-like cotton cloth used primarily in cheese making. And food mill. It is used to grind, mash, puree, and sieve soft food. Number 4. Cookware. It is the range of pans and pots which are used in cooking. Examples: saucepan. It is a medium deep pot with a flat bottom, commonly used to make sauces and gravies. Casserole. It is an oval, four-sided or round dish or pan made of stainless steel, ceramic, or glass where food may be cooked and served. Cast iron skillet. It is a heavy, thick-bottomed frying pan used when steady and even heat is needed in cooking. And wok. It is often for stir frying, steaming, pan frying, deep frying, poaching, boiling, braising, searing, making soup, smoking, and roasting. Number 5. Kitchen utensils. They are small, handheld tools used for food preparation. Examples: cutting or chopping board. It is a durable board on which food may be cut and chopped. Funnel. It is used to pour liquid or small-grained ingredients into containers with small openings. Scraper. It is used to blend or scrape food from the bowl or pan. And tongs. They are used to lift, turn, and transfer food. And number 6, kitchen equipment. It usually refers to the larger items in the kitchen that handle the bulk of the preparation and cooking processes. Examples: refrigerator and freezer. They are used to keep food fresh, prevent food spoilage, and inhibit the growth of bacteria. Oven. It is a thermally insulated chamber used for baking and cooking. It can be electric oven, gas oven, or a microwave oven. Stove. Stoves rely on the application of direct heat for the cooking process. And mixer. They are used for beating, folding, and whipping ingredients.